timing is everything. And when I got a call from Lone Wolf Harley Davidson saying, you need to check your email because I think your bike just showed up, when I was thinking, how long is it going to take to get a Harley Davidson Pan America, I went, whoa.
Rikki, you'll never guess what just landed. Scope this thing out. Woo! Look at that, deadwood green. This thing is beautiful. Got her all checking it out. Ken over here, nice job, buddy. Look at that. Holly, you're sending him more photos, right?
Rikki, thanks for hanging in there with us, man. It's here.
So yes, the much anticipated Harley Davidson Pan America has landed at Lone Wolf Harley Davidson. It's my bike. It's my bike. And it is the amazing Deadwood Green, which is a difficult color to get, but I got the Deadwood Green. I like all the colors, but I like the green the best. And I got it. And the lace wheels and the, I'm going to talk more about the bike later. So I talked to Holly, my longtime friend at Lone Wolf Harley Davidson, and I said, look, I'm going to fly up there. We're going to do a little mini press thing out of this. I'll do some Q&As. We'll get the radio station down there. I'll meet some fans. We'll go for a ride. We'll do like a fan ride. Anybody that's got a motorcycle that wants to ride, you know, we'll just really have a good time with it. And I was all set to do that, and then COVID hit. So this is completely different for me to do a video about COVID. And the only reason I'm doing a video about COVID is because I have COVID. Now, I'm pretty much recovered from COVID. Today is my first day out of quarantine. One of my kids is still in quarantine. My fiance's in quarantine. My ex is in quarantine. I mean, it's been miserable, and I am vaccinated, so it's really weird, but I have a video about that. You can watch that. We did not delay the bike. So the next thing I know, Holly is getting somebody at the shop to drive this bike to me, and it is showing up tomorrow morning. We're delaying the event. I am still going to go up there and do this event, but just not right now. But I am going to get the bike just in time for, well, actually I'll have a little slush time before my birthday, so I get to ride it before I get really old. But birthdays aren't so bad when you consider the alternative. So anyway, so that bike is coming tomorrow morning, so the next time that you see this mug will be tomorrow morning when the bike is showing up, and I'm very, very excited, so bye for now. There he is.
How you doing,
How you doing, man? Are you all right?
I'm doing good.
All right.
Of course I'm good.
All right, this is really exciting here that my bike is here, okay? It's like, yeah. There we go. This is my buddy Dave here, by the way.
Yeah, you might not like the ride with those tires on it.
I'm an off-road guy, so.
Okay, well you'll like it.
Yeah. All right, there it is.
You want to wait to put your other tags on and then put this whole thing on?
Okay, so this is going to be my first ride on this. Haven't even ridden it yet. I just threw on this Velomaki tail bag so I can take my camera and stuff. So anyway, I'm pretty stoked about this. It's freaking badass. All right, so I'm gonna go for a ride and I'll give you a report. We'll stop somewhere. I'll do my favorite road. Maybe I'll do a little dirt. Can't do too much because I'm by myself. All right, let's go. So when I made a trip up to Lone Wolf earlier in the year to put a deposit on this bike, I really didn't think actually it would even come in as early as it did. People are still taking deliveries of this bike, but Holly was able to make it happen, and thank you to her. Sorry I didn't get to make the return trip up there, but again, I will get up there. Holly knows it. Sorry, I got helmet hair right now. I have test driven this bike, but this is the first time I've actually got out on it and didn't have to worry about a salesperson with me or anything like that. So I am breaking the motor in, so I can't go completely nuts yet. It's really, really hot today. So I'm not gonna, it's getting hotter by the hour. So I'm not gonna be out a ton today. Hopefully I'll get a chance to ride a little bit tonight maybe. So far, I'm loving this. There are a lot of videos online about this motorcycle, and you might just go, well, what the heck are you gonna add to it? Just my personal spin on it, okay? That's really all I'm gonna be able to do. I am gonna off-road this quite a bit. I'm hoping that in the next week or so that I can get together with my buddy Rob Day, who is a trainer for this bike. He trains a lot of the dealers, and get out and do a little bit of dirt riding. Get up early in the morning and, before it gets too hot, and get out and really have a good time with it and put it through its paces. I'm not unfamiliar with large displacement bikes off-road. I've done quite a few with Ducati, with BMW, with the Yamaha Tenere, which is arguably smaller, but I've ridden a lot of big displacement bikes off-road, so I kind of know the ropes a little bit, but every bike is different, so I can't wait to jump in and take a little bit of direction from Rob. Anyway, I'm going to get on and ride this thing a little bit.